Wilex Group versus ULand Airlines, GR number 167519, January 14, 2015. Wilex and ULand agreed to develop a long-term business relationship for the creation of joint interests in airline operations and property development projects in the Philippines. The provisions of the memorandum were agreed to be executed within 40 days from its execution date. The 40-day period lapsed, but Wilex and ULand were not able to enter into any share purchase agreement, although drafts were exchanged between the two. However, despite the absence of the share purchase agreement, ULand remitted to Wilex. Wilex acknowledged the receipt of these remittances and allegedly delivered stock certificates and TCTs of subject properties. Despite these transactions, Wilex and ULand still failed to enter into the share purchase agreement. ULand filed a complaint praying for rescission of the first memorandum of agreement and damages against Wilex and for the issuance of a writ of preliminary attachment. The RTC ruled in favor of ULand and ordered rescission of contract under Article 1191 of the Civil Code. On appeal, the CA affirmed the ruling of the RTC. Issue: Whether or not respondent ULand correctly sought the principal relief of rescission or resolution under Article 1191. Yes, the court ruled that rescission under 1191 is proper in this case. Rescission or resolution under Article 1191 is a principal action that is immediately available to the party at the time that the reciprocal prestation was breached.